Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Binance trading app. First, download the Binance app from your device's app store. Once installed, you'll need to register for an account and complete the necessary identity verification steps. This usually involves providing some personal information and a photo ID. Finally, enhance your account security by enabling two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of protection to your digital assets. After setting up your account, the next step is to fund it. You can deposit money using several methods, including bank transfers, debit cards, or even third-party payment services. Once your local currency is in, you might want to convert it into a stablecoin, such as USD, to easily trade against various cryptocurrencies. Always check the minimum deposit amounts for specific assets before initiating a transfer. Now, let's make your first trade. Head to the trade section within the app and select the cryptocurrency pair you wish to trade, for example, Bitcoin versus USD. You'll then choose an order type: a market order for instant execution, a limit order to set a specific price, or a stop limit for more advanced strategies. Double-check all your details, then confirm to execute your trade. Finally, it's crucial to manage your assets effectively. Regularly monitor your portfolio's performance and keep an eye on your various asset balances within the app. When you're ready, you can securely withdraw your funds to a linked bank account or an external crypto wallet. Remember to always prioritize security. Also, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to simplify your life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.